I can also view all the mapped units from here. I just have to click this show mapped units toggle, and then I can view all the units mapped on this specific floor plan. And in case if I want to apply any filters, I can apply those filters from here. Now if you see, I have applied the filter of bathrooms, and now all the units are removed except two bathrooms. Now I can specifically select which bathroom I want to see. I want to see male washroom, so I can see male bathroom. Here it is. I can also zoom in and zoom out this floor plan and draw more units if I want, if anything is missed before. Now it is letting me draw a unit. Now we will remove the filters and it will return back to its original form as it was created.